Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Padhiye with Prachi में आपका स्वागत है. This video is an introduction to my channel. I'm going to specify my background, what this channel is all about, and the general forum of the channel. But before going into that, I'll also like to take you through the two visions of this channel. One you will keep hearing me say throughout every video, and one is on the YouTube banner. Seekhiye with Prachi, Jaaniye with Prachi, Padhiye with Prachi, and live, learn, and explore. So let's get into it. Hi. So let's get into my background. What is my background, my education background, my work experience? Basically, I'll take you through my CV, so to say, my resume. Okay, so my name is Prachi Lal. Okay, my name is Prachi Lal, and let's take you through the beginnings. Okay, let's take you through the beginnings. So I have studied in CBSE. I'm sorry for the background noise. This is Mumbai rain and winds causing this haunted like sound. I don't know whether it's getting captured, but going back to my channel intro. So yeah, I've studied in CBSE board till 12th class, right? And in class 10th I was not only the school topper but also my district topper, and my percentage was 97.4% with a 99 in mathematics. At that point in time there wasn't a concept, or I mean I didn't know about it, or I don't know that whether I was featuring in one of the top ranks CBSE entire countrywide. That's something which I'm not aware of. Sometimes I feel that yeah, maybe I should write to the government to check, but anyways, my percentage was 97.4. I was not only my school topper but the district topper, and 99 marks in maths. Moving on to class 12th, I had taken science, and I had scored 100 marks. सेंचुरी मार दी थी मैंने क्लास 12th में, जो 9th में नहीं हो पाई थी. सेंचुरी मार दी थी. मुझे एजुकेशन HRD मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ HRD से सर्टिफिकेट आया था stating I am in the top 0.1% of the country. I had got good marks in other subjects also, physics, chemistry as well. So yeah, that was my journey till 12th. उसके बाद I did electronics and communication engineering, and I was a topper of my college and a 7th ranker in the branch in the university. Entire university we had like 150 plus colleges, right? So that's how my journey went on. I went to work in an IT company. Post that I cracked CAT and joined IIM. Post that the typical 3 idiot style, engineering करके MBA करके बैंक में नौकरी करनी थी तो engineering क्यों किया वाला style. I joined a multinational bank and I've worked there, and I recently completed my tenure, resigned at the position of assistant vice president. So that's on my academic and work experience side of things. On the creative side, I love to do a lot of things: read, write, act, mimic, and some more things to go. So you know, that's a good segue into what this channel is all about. Coming to what this channel is all about. So this channel is, as you know the name of the channel, Padhiye with Prachi. My name is Prachi Lal. पढ़िए मेरे साथ पढ़िए आप. Seekhiye with Prachi, Jaaniye with Prachi, Padhiye with Prachi. Live, learn, and explore. So this channel is about me trying to guide you, teach you different subjects, right? Ranging from, I'll begin with class 10th CBSE mathematics NCERT. It can even go on to the different subjects that I have studied in my course of my life. For example, I did engineering, तो वहाँ के भी subject हो सकता है, I can pick. I did MBA. I also have work experience, so whatever I've sort of learned on the job, For example, accept people of all age group, starting from students of class 10th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, maybe engineering, maybe MBA, maybe CAT aspirants. I'm not sure. These things are still in the works. I'm starting with class 10 CBSE mathematics, but the audience of the channel is starting from students to also people working in corporate job. To cut long stories short, सबके लिए सब कुछ है इस चैनल पे, ठीक है, सब कुछ मिलेगा आपको. पर इसमें एक और तड़का जो है, the twist to all of this is that I'm also going to put out creative content. So I'm going to put certain vlogs every Saturday. So my 2 videos on education content, Monday and Wednesday, 1 vlog every Saturday. Be certain creative side to it as well, which you'll get to know as and when we progress through this channel. So there's something for everyone, for all age group people, not just students, not just employees, everyone. There'll be something for everyone. There'll be some entertainment as well, if you would want to put it that way. Let's get into the forum of the channel. So basically, I have studied in an English medium school, so I'm going to teach all the concepts in English. For example, maths, if I'm teaching maths, I'm going to say triangle, circle, quadrilateral, all those things, right? I'm not going to use the Hindi terminology like trikon and all those things because I myself don't know very well. However, I am well versed in Hindi. That's my mother tongue, so to say. So it's kind of in English. The format of the channel will be English, but don't worry. This is meant. The videos that I'm going to put out is more or less meant for all the states of India. So English नहीं तो हिंदी कुछ तो आपको समझ आ ही जाएगा. फिलहाल के लिए English हिंदी रहेगा and आपको समझ आ जाएगा. You will understand what I'm trying to teach. How are we going to interact on this channel? How this channel is going to work, right? So I'm going to put out these videos, right? And I will look at your comments, so you can provide me your questions, queries, doubts. What would you like me to cover in the comment section, or you can email me them at padhiyewithprachi@gmail.com. You can also leave a comment in the social media handles. Maybe I'll make it more focused, like, you know, hash ask Prachi ya Pookhiye with Prachi, something like that. Maybe I'll make that, maybe Pookhiye with Prachi sounds good, so maybe you can write hash Pookhiye with Prachi so that I can find all the questions and pick up those questions. So how I'm going to address this, the plan as of now is that I'm going to address the questions via my live sessions. Just one more thing which I also wanted to add was that these videos are meant to be timeless videos. They are meant to be consumed by anyone at any point in time. They can just go and pick the chapter and study from there. They are not like time specific that, you know, it's just relevant now, right? While class 10th mathematics that I'm putting, it is actually relevant for the people who are going to give board next year. But having said that, these are timeless videos and they are unedited, more or less unedited content. I am just simply putting it out there, whatever I've taught to you guys, right? So that's just about it. इतना ही था जो था इस चैनल के बारे में, मेरे बारे में, right? यही था जो मुझे कहना था इस पहले वीडियो में. So let's get into the channel, let's get into it. And of course, Seekhiye with Prachi, Jaaniye with Prachi, Padhiye with Prachi, and like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.